everybody, how you all doing? I hope you're ready for this week's full body fat burning workout, because I've got a super simple, extremely effective ladder workout for you. Let's quickly look at the workout structure, and then I'm going to take you through one complete circuit so you know exactly what to do. So we've got 3 exercises. You're going to do the first exercise for 10 reps, second exercise 10 reps, third exercise 10 reps. Go back to the first exercise, no rest, 15 reps, 15 reps, 15 reps. Go back to the first exercise, no rest, 20 reps, 20 reps, 20 reps. After you've completed 20 reps for each exercise, you're going to rest 30 seconds, and then you go back down the ladder. So let me quickly take you through one complete circuit so you know exactly what to do. And then afterwards, I've got something special for you, because I want to give you over 100 home workouts free of charge today. But let's start with this workout. So there you go, guys. I hope you have a lot of fun. So remember, that is up the ladder. Now you'll rest 30 seconds, and then you'll go down the ladder, rest 30 seconds, and back up the ladder. It is extremely effective and so much fun. So perfect for people who don't have a lot of time but still want to get a great workout out. Now, if you enjoy this workout and you enjoy home workouts, I've got something special for you. I created a brand new product called the Big Book of Home Workouts, and inside is over 100 of my most effective, most powerful home workouts that I've uploaded onto YouTube over the last 12 years. And you can grab this this free of charge for the next few days at sixpackfactory.com/big book. So there you go, guys. Enjoy this workout, kick ass. And remember, if you liked it, please click on that like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and click on that bell icon to make sure you get my weekly fat burning workout coming straight to your inbox. Until next time, guys, remember, have fun out there and keep it simple.